Yo, what's the deal, y'all? This your boy MOTORCITY Nick, man, and I'm checking back with another video. Man, I'm back on my grind, man. I said I was gonna be on my grind. I said I wasn't gonna be, you know what I'm saying, BSing around. I was gonna get on my grind. Man, you can see I'm in my other vehicle, man. I got an Expedition 2009 Ford Expedition, man. I mean, I'm a Chevy guy, but I do drive a Ford, man. So this is my utility truck, you know what I'm saying, for the family. But long story short, man, the reason why I'm making a video today, man, I'm making another junkyard run. I made a junkyard run earlier in the week and stuff. I had to grab a couple parts for my vehicle and my builds and stuff. You see my Imp and my Caprice over there. So, man, I had to get a couple parts and things for them. And, you know, I'm a person that, you know, if I could buy stuff, you know, if I could take stuff off a junkyard and I could utilize some of the parts, man, I use it. Mainly like panels and stuff like that. I actually don't never use like engine or mechanical pieces that like far as that function with the vehicle, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna reuse no alternator or nothing for no junkyard like that, but like certain stuff like panels, pieces, plastics, trunk hinges, locks, hood, stuff like that, man. I snatch the pieces off from the junkyard, and you know, some of them rare moldings that's hard to find, you know what I'm saying, for old schools, I'll snatch them off. So I got my junkyard attire on, man. I'm bundled up. Michigan is cold, so I'm gonna take y'all on this journey, man. And I ain't gonna be doing too much filming because it's cold, so I'm trying to get in and out. But you know, I'm gonna show y'all when I get there and show you what I come across. All right, y'all, your boy out here. It's cold as fuck, but man, you can see, shit, I done found me a 96 Caprice. So I'm gonna show you what all I grabbed out this motherfucking shit. Snatched me a nice crispy dash pad. There's a couple good parts and shit on this motherfucker, but this bitch pretty much gone. Shit, I mean, got to everything. I took that. I mean, seats look pretty decent and shit, but this one pretty much picked over. Ain't really shit available unless somebody looking for panels and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? But this one's probably a goner. Corner panels if people need them. Shit, they got the Caprice wheels. I might take that. I think I need that. I'm gonna take that off. Can use a cap. Shit, everything else is pretty much a goner. Mirrors is goners. Side moldings, if anybody looking for side moldings. Shit, they done bust a lock on that, so shit, you can't even use a steering column. That shit over with. But I was just showing y'all. I'm about to get back to it. I got a couple more vehicles I need to look at and shit, but yeah, I found a couple things, couple goodies. Found some shit that I wanted, at least. All right, y'all. Shit. Your boy out of breath, man. I'm tired. Shit, I hauled up a couple parts, man. I got some good stuff, dog. Man, I got it for a deal, like crazy, dog. I was able to get, you know what I'm saying, some of the stuff I got, all that shit, man. Low key, I only got it for 11 bucks. So, man, I'm happy. I was able to get a trunk solenoid switch, a radiator cap, man. Even though I got warranties on my radiator caps, I could always swap them, but shit, I just grabbed it just cause. Shoot, on top of that, man, I got some stuff for my truck as well. So, you know what I'm saying? It was a nice run. I was able to get some tidbits, man. So I was happy about that. But you know me, man. It's your boy Motor City Neek, man. If this your first time checking me out, man, or you seeing my videos for the first time, shit, I drop videos pretty consistently, you know, starting now. So, you know, I drop maybe like once or twice a week and stuff. It's gonna get the closer the weather break, it's gonna get more and more to like almost every other day, if not every day. But I drop videos pretty often, you know what I'm saying? Be sure to hit that like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn that notification bell on so you can join the Motor City crew, man. Keep up with me and my bills and stuff, man. But once again, this your boy Motor City Neek, man. I holla at y'all. Peace.